This is a closing Colchester 13-inch metalworking lathe. I'm going to show you how it runs and that all of its controls and dials are working properly. This lathe has a coolant, it has threading, it has power feed, and it has a geared head. I'm turning on the power feed. Now, the coolant. Oops! As you can see, it works great, and with the coolant you can turn much bigger and faster removal rate. Now I turn it off and I show you how it stops quickly with the brake. That's a big important safety feature. Don't forget to turn off your water.